2022 has been an amazing year, and deep down from the bottom of my heart, I know it's because of you. Regardless of the fact that you view my status, or maybe you follow my channel, or maybe you purchase my products, you buy my clothes, you buy clothes from me, you make clothes from me, regardless of any which way in which we connect together, I want to tell you this particular truth that one way or the other, consciously or unconsciously, you've contributed to my growth, and I'm not taking that for granted. I'm telling you this. So from the depth of my heart, I want to say thank you for 2022, and I want to be the first person to wish you Happy New Year for 2023. Don't worry, just relax. 2023 is going to be an amazing year. This 2023 that we're coming into right now is going to be the beginning of the best version of your life and beyond. And that's how it's going to be. I just want to wish you Happy New Year, and do have a beautiful rest of the year. Peace, and do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.